Oh, si ya trajo sus documentos, ok. Ahorita estoy al 95.
Soltero, casado, divorciado.
We're the largest organization in West Texas for sure and all of New Mexico. We provide a pretty broad range of services, starting with helping people apply for benefits through family members, assisting survivors of domestic violence and other crimes in applying for benefits as a survivor. Assistance for people in removal proceedings, those that have already been caught by immigration and are navigating that process, we can represent them through that process. We also help people apply for naturalization, citizenship, if they're eligible for.
Jose Rodriguez.
The biggest thing is that people think that the forms are just really easy to fill out, but the reality is that every single question on every single form is meant to elicit an answer. And depending on how you answer that question will affect whether or not you get the benefit. And so it's not as simple as just answering a yes/no question. You have to understand why they're asking the question, what section of law they're pulling from in asking that question. And so that's where we as legal experts come in, is we know what those questions are meant to glean from the individual. So we are able to ask a series of questions from them at the onset and make sure that we are not putting them in danger by applying for benefits. A lot of times there are things that people aren't aware of under the immigration laws that will make them ineligible. They think that it's more simple than it is, and the reality is that immigration law is incredibly complex, and so you do need, at a minimum, a consultation with a legal expert before you apply, even if you decide to apply ultimately on your own. We have a free legal service program that is for Texas residents. There are other requirements that they have to meet related to their income. They have to be below a certain percentage of the federal poverty guidelines. However, if they don't qualify for free legal services, we also have low-cost legal services, and so those services are generally going to be 10 to 20% of what a private attorney would charge for a similar service, and that's really important. You know, people think sometimes that because it's free, the quality is not there, but we have attorneys that have been working with us for many years, and we ensure that the quality of service that we provide is high, so that people are getting a good service.